Alright, some rubbing noises in the rear wheel. My wife's Hyundai Elantra. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Okay, so we pulled the wheel off, or I pulled the wheel off, looked inside for any evidence of rubbing, seen nothing. Then I went to go look at the brakes and wow! Actually, my wife caught it. She found it. This baby came loose. So we'll just rebolt that up. Looks like I'll probably get away with, well, I don't know yet exactly how I'm going to do it, but I'll do it. I'll fix it where it won't rub no more. Look where it melted everything. And we'll call this part good. Then we'll get to that battery cable next. Alright, just a little something I want to say. I don't care if you're working on a boat, car, truck, motorhome, wooden table you're building, or some fancy cabinet. I hate using my project as a workbench. But I'm a one-man show, and I ain't got time to move the camera all over the place. So there's an exception to the rule this time. First of all, this was heavily corroded with battery acid, of course, obviously. And the reason why we're replacing it instead of just cleaning it is for some reason that nut is just flat out not turning, not coming off. So $60 later, bam, 60 bucks. First thing we do, squirt on the cleaner. Use the battery cleaning tool. Little rag action. Clean up. Put a little preventative on. There we go. That's heavily coated preventative. I like using these myself. Second of all, take the old cable, put it back on, take this money, go get some beer. No, I'm kidding. Not beer. I don't even drink. But anyway, we put it back in there. Let's hook up the electrical first. There we go. Put it back on. And before we tighten that down, let's put this back in place. 10 millimeters, by the way, for the whole job. Got a good ground going. I just heard a spark. There's a $400 paint job. Just that little scratch. Kidding. It's on the hinge, I'm pretty sure. If I even scratched it. And tighten this guy down. This one, I'm going to do this way first. Okay. Little Ford Bronco startup out there, cold start for you cold start Ford Bronco fans. Neighbor's car, truck. Alright. There you go, we got it. Clean up this mats, call it good. Have a good one, everybody.